Question number 1. Who was the first woman ruler of India? The correct answer is option B, Razia Sultan. Question number 2. Which movement did Mahatma Gandhi start in 1942? The correct answer is option B, Quit India movement. Question number 3. Where did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre happen? The correct answer is option D, Amritsar. Question number 4. Who was the first Mughal emperor of India? The correct answer is option C, Babur. Question number 5. Who was the last Governor General of India? The correct answer is option A, Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. Question number 6. Which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga, Ganga of the South? The correct answer is option D, Godavari River. Question number 7. In which state is the third desert found? The correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. Question number 8. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? The correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Question number 9. Name the smallest union territory in India. The correct answer is option D, Lakshadweep. Question number 10. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The correct answer is option C, Japan. Question number 11. Which country has the most volcanoes? The correct answer is option A, Indonesia. Question number 12. Which desert is the largest hot desert in the world? The correct answer is option C, Sahara Desert. Question number 13. Mount Everest lies between which two countries? The correct answer is option D, Nepal and China. Question number 14. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? The correct answer is option A, carbon dioxide. Question number 15. What is the hardest substance in the human body? The correct answer is option A, teeth enamel. Question number 16. What part of the cell contains genetic material? The correct answer is option C, nucleus. Question number 17. Which vitamin is produced in the skin when exposed to sunlight? The correct answer is option D, vitamin D. Question number 18. Which company developed the Windows OS? The correct answer is option A, Microsoft. Question number 19. Which programming language is known for web development? The correct answer is option A, JavaScript. Question number 20. What is the full form of USB? The correct answer is option D, Universal Serial Bus. Question number 21. Who is known as the father of the computer? The correct answer is option A, Charles Babbage. Question number 22. How many fundamental rights are there in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option B, 6. Question number 23. What is the tenure of the Lok Sabha? The correct answer is option B, 5 years. Question number 24. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is option C, President of India. Question number 25. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 26. Which article of the Constitution deals with emergency provisions? The correct answer is option C, Article 352. Question number 27. How many countries are there in the United Nations? The correct answer is option B, 193. Question number 28. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations? The correct answer is option D, Antonio Guterres. Question number 29. Which country hosted the first G20 summit? The correct answer is option D, United States. Question number 30. Kathak is a classical dance form of which state? The correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh.